Hope you guys can see me. So I'm out here on my deck and I have the smart plug plugged in right now. As you can see here, I have 2 plugs. Everything is working, everything is plugged in. I'm gonna show you how you can set up your smart plug with your Apple Home app. So on your Apple Home app, what you want to do is you want to press this up add icon to the top right. You add that, and then you go to add accessory. And when you add accessory, it's going to have 2 prompts. One prompt is going to be scan the QR code, or you can hold the phone nearby the actual item itself. I like to use a QR code because it's easier to use. So on the back of this smart plug, what you can do is you can scan the QR code. It's going to show here as outlet, and you want to hit add to home. It's going to scan, and it's going to go through the process of adding this to your Apple Home. Perfect. And then you can create a name for it. So that way you can get everything put together. You can do here as outdoor. Say I have mine as outdoor, and I'm going to hit continue. And then you can rename the outlet name if you want to. I'm going to hit continue. And then it's going to give you 2 options. You have outlet 1 or outlet 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename them. Now you're back at your My Home page, and you can just talk to Siri. Hey Siri, turn on the outdoor rail lights. It worked. It turned on. Hey Siri, turn off my rail lights. It turned off. I'll show you in real time on what this looks like. Hey Siri, turn on the rail lights. That worked. Now, hey Siri, turn off the rail lights. It works. Thank you everybody for watching. I'll see you in the next one.